Yo, what's up, everybody? So, Designer Head coming back at you. I did get me a little something new today. Well, actually, not today because this is a voiceover. I do want to apologize for that. But, like I said, I got me something new. I got me a new damn phone. Yes, I said a new phone. I'm sorry about that, but I don't know. I was getting tired of my 7. I feel like it's a little big in my pocket. I felt like this was a perfect medium in between, the 7 Plus and the 7, or the 8 and the 8 Plus. Since we got a couple new releases this year. But without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cracking into this. So yeah, of course you got the original branding, iPhone branding all around the box. You got the Apple logo, all that good stuff. I did go with the space gray, and of course they have their beautiful review as always. They never skimp out on packaging, that's for sure. On the front, we got the usual design by California, all the manual stickers and all that good stuff. Under that, you have the phone, and as you can tell, the screen takes up all the real estate in the front, and it looks absolutely amazing. The back also, we got a little bit. We got some changes. Not crazy changes, but we got some changes. We got a vertical camera instead of horizontal now. I'm kind of getting used to it since this is a little bit later on. The phone feels very nice and heavy in the hand. It feels great in the palm. It doesn't feel like it's going to slip out at all. Like I said, it's a perfect medium between the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 8, or the 7 and the 7 Plus if you guys are going to be upgrading. I did go and buy me the iPhone 8 when it did come out. I don't have it on me. My lady has it on her. But this is the iPhone 7 Plus next to my iPhone X, iPhone 10, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller. It's a little thicker, but you won't be able to tell up close. You really have to get something to measure that. The phone is a little bit smaller, not crazy small. Like I said, it's in between the iPhone 8 and the 8 Plus. You could definitely feel it. When you're putting them next to another or side to side, you could definitely see the where it shrunk. Now you can tell it's a little bit thicker, but it's not going to be noticeably thicker to people that are switching from the iPhone 8 or 8 Plus or 7, should I say. I mean, you're going to be able to tell the difference, but it's just going to feel a little heavier, should I say, in the hand. Other than that, the phone looks awesome. I mean, I have both space gray versions here, and they look amazing. Besides that little scratch on the 7 Plus, but both amazing phones. They both do great. At this point, Apple's just pushing out amazing products. You can't really complain. Again, look at this beautiful screen. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on for y'all. See what's good with the new iPhone 10. Like I said, just going back to the screen, man. It's very nice. It's appealing to the eyes, should I say? Apple always does a great job of being really good with consumers and giving them what they want. And I was iffy on this year's release. I didn't know how it was gonna go, since they were changing it a lot up this year. Of course, you get your standard dongles and all that good stuff, your charging port, your charging brick. I'll just go ahead and put that all in the box, put it aside. Like I said, you got the iPhone branding all over. Nice box. You come to expect this stuff from Apple now, and it's great. It's not a bad thing at all. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the phone. Of course, hello by Apple. Now, I will say this: the screen is nice. It looks amazing. I like the little cutout at the top. I like everything about it. This is a little bit after I have been using the phone, and honestly, I can't complain about it at all. I love it. The front-facing camera was something that I was worried about. Will it read my face well enough to, keep me secure, all that good stuff. And, to my surprise, it's been, very, very well. I mean, it's done very, very well. I haven't had any complaints with it. Swiping to unlock is really nice and pretty fast and seamless, but like I said, it's not as fast as your thumb. Sometimes it doesn't catch your face in the right direction, so that is something you got to keep in mind. If that's something you're trying to stay away from, I would definitely go ahead and go with the 8 Plus. There's nothing wrong with that phone. It's a beautiful phone. I kind of miss it. they're different phones in completely different areas. Like I said, the iPhone 10 now apps are starting to come at this scale, or should I say, they're starting to incorporate the little cutout at the top for the speakerphone. Apps, you really can't tell. I mean, the phone's been great all throughout. I love it. In the past month or two that I've been owning the phone, I have no complaints with it at all. Also, another thing I was kind of concerned about was this screen here. I was kind of concerned that the screen was going to be a little too, should I say, small. At first, when I first got it, I was I could tell the difference. And even when reading text or, scrolling through pictures, you can tell that it's a little bit smaller. It's not bad. You definitely get used to it. But, something to kind of take in consideration when you're buying this phone. But I do want to thank you guys all for, coming along, and thank you for sticking around. Like, sub, and subscribe. If you have any questions, know anything that I want to review, please just drop it in the comments below. Thank you guys. Deuces.